Today I'm gonna show you how to make this. Make your videos go viral in After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So I'm gonna show you how to make an AI comics transition. It's pretty easy actually. Let's first pre-compose it. So I have my clip here of Jack Sparrow and add frame blending and motion blur, pre-compose it. If you don't know how to pre-compose or don't know the basics, I have a tutorial for that in the description down below or on my page. Go check it out. Next, we need to make a screenshot where we want the glitch to happen. So let's narrow down our workspace like this. So here we'll make a screenshot. Now go to File, Export, choose this setting, then press OK. And choose your output and save it. Let it render and now go to your AI. Now import your image and use this prompt. This prompt you can find it in the description down below or on the comment down below. Now let it render. Now that it's rendered, save the image and go back to your After Effects. Now import your image and drag it on your workspace. Now add a marker from where you got the image and adjust your workspace again. Press T on your keyboard and adjust your opacity to align your image. As you can see, it's aligned now, but you see here your image is smaller now. What you can do is add motion tile, drag it on your clip, use these settings, and now it's fixed. And now readjust your opacity. Now trim your image like this and duplicate your image. You can add as many as you want. You can add 3, you can add 4. I'm gonna stick with 2. Add the opacity. Let's put here 0. Click on clock and put here 100. Easy ease them, copy them, and go to your second image and do the same. Now you can pre-compose them all, select them all and add motion blur. Right click, pre-compose, double click on your pre-composition and add adjustment layer, add S-time warp, and now use this setting. As you can see, it will make your animation smoother. Go back to your workspace and add BCC cross glitch and change these settings. Now change the animation and click on clock where the animation starts. It's 50. Press U on your keyboard, go back a few frames, put 15, and where your animation ends, so this is the second image, click on your keyframe again and go forward a few frames again, put 15, select all your keyframes, press F9, and now as you can see, this is your animation. And now you can add your zooms, your glows, you can add anything you prefer. So this is the AI glitch animation. So thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.